Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I'll show how to fix call recorded but not saved problem in Android or Samsung phone. Let's see how to fix this problem. Go to phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, scroll down, click on phone apps, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Go to phone app, tap on three dot menu, tap on setting, click on call records, turn on auto call record option, tap on recorded calls. Now call recorded save problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.